Come on guys, let's eat. Ito yung prepare kong chicken mommy. So very hot. Sabaw ng chicken mommy. Ayan. Sarap. Meron siyang hard-boiled egg on top at saka ang toasted garlic on top para mas malasa. Ayan, kain na tayo. Chicken mommy. Prepared by me, Mommy Violeta Blas. Don't forget my page. Ang sarap talaga ihalo pag mayroong toasted garlic on top. Na mayroong himay na chicken breast, stir-fried na peche bagyo at saka carrot. Thanks for viewing, Mommy Violeta Vlog. Sarap ng sabaw. Bye!